Welcome to Patsy's Rhyme Time. Today we're going to have a rhyme about birds and a magnificent tree. I've brought along one that I made. It's filled with finger puppet birds. There's magpies, parrots, kookaburras, cockatoos and galahs. Let's count the birds together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 birds in the tree. I hope you, when you go outside, look up and see beautiful birds, and when you go to the park, you look around the park and see all the wonderful things of nature, as well as swing on the swings. This is the rhyme. A magnificent gum tree stood in the park, home for the birds when all was dark, and every morning they woke with the sun, ready for a day of fun. 2 kookaburras laughed with ease as they flew from the tree in the summer breeze. Saw a snake slither along the ground and pounced on it without a sound. 2 cockatoos on the second branch saw some flowers and took their chance. Down they flew to eat some seeds, pecked and had a feed. 2 magpies warbling a merry song knew they would eat before too long. Looked for worms in the garden bed, found some grubs and ate them instead. 2 parrots, coloured red and blue, wanted something good to chew. A feast of sunflower seeds to eat. Yum, 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 what a treat. 2 galahs squawked in the tree. For their meal, what could they see? Black grapes on an enormous vine. Down they flew just in time. Let's put the birds back in the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Night has come again. The birds are asleep. Not a sound to be heard, not even a peep. Cockatoos, galahs, parrots and magpies, kookaburras sleeping, waiting for sunrise. What a wonderful sight to see each day when we go down to the park to play. That's all for today. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.